Ferdinand and Anna Stahl planted a seed in South America that would sprout under the ministry of other missionaries for years to come. In 1909, the Stahls left the United States. They served for many years in both Bolivia and Peru among the indigenous people, establishing schools and churches. They mentored other missionaries like the Fords, a newly married couple in their early 20s who set sail for what would be a lifetime of mission work throughout Central and South America. Meanwhile, in Brazil, Leo and Jesse Hollowell were serving the people along the Amazon River. They spent years in one of the most difficult terrains to reach people. The Hollowells established the mission boats called Lucero, meaning light bearer, which take church services and medical care to villages along the river. Throughout their 30 years of work, it's estimated that 250,000 people were served. To this day, the Hollowells' legacy lives on through the operation of Lucero boats, bringing hope and healing to people. The South American region is home to more than 2.5 million Seventh-day Adventists. Many of these church members minister to their communities in creative ways. When Jair was growing up in Brazil, people thought of him as untrustworthy and someone who caused problems. Later in his life, he learned about the Adventist message and decided to give his heart to Jesus. Upon accepting Christ into his life, Jair wanted to use his talents to help others. He remembered what people thought of him and came up with an innovative way to offer a better experience to kids in his community. Jair has a bicycle workshop that is transformed into an urban center of influence. He called the children from the local Adventist church and encouraged them to invite neighborhood friends to ride their bikes. More than 30 children participated. Jair fixed up old bicycles and gave them to the children who didn't have one. They called the activity Friends of the Bike. They started doing this every Sunday, and it became routine to have Bible studies after the bike ride. As a result, 2 children have been baptized, and another 3 are ready to give their hearts to Jesus. Today, the community trusts Jair and knows he has changed. The same people who criticized him in his youth are now sending their children and grandchildren to his bike shop to be part of the program. Jair is just one example of how church members in the South American region are taking total member involvement to heart and enthusiastically spreading a message of hope to the people around them. Please pray for this part of the world and the exciting ways God is working there. Thank you for supporting Mission.